Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set up OneDrive in Windows 11. If you want to have a backup online for your files, then in this video, I'll show you how you can do it through OneDrive. So first you have to go to your desktop and then you have to search for OneDrive. Once you find the option, click onto it. Then you have to simply sign in using your email address and click on sign in. If you don't have an account, then you can also create at the moment. Whatever option you have selected, you will get signed in with your Live or your Outlook account, and then you have to click on next. Then you can either create a new folder or you can create the existing one. It's up to you. Select any one of these options, and after that it will show you the files. Those you want to have a backup on, you have to toggle on their option, and if there's anything you don't want it, make sure that toggle is turned off for that. You have to simply select it. It may show you try again at the first, maybe because of some like initial issues, but you don't have to worry. You have to simply turn on these toggle on and off, and you will see the option for the backup. Click onto it, and then it will start backing up the files that you have selected. Once you do it, you will see your OneDrive is all ready and you will be able to access them by again going into OneDrive. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.